Hey everybody, today on Henry's HowTos, I'm going to show you how to make Jamaican rice and peas. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so we're going to start with one brown onion. So we want to slice this in half, and all we want to do with our onion is just dice it. Now it doesn't have to be too fine or too coarse. In the middle is just right. Once your onions are done, we'll need a scotch bonnet chilli. In my case, I've only got small ones, as they're not quite in season right now, so I'm going to use 2 small ones. So take the stem off. Now I'm going to leave the seeds in. If you want, take them out. If you want, only use one. That's up to you, depends how spicy you like it. All we want to do with these is just chop them up. Alright guys, so we're going to go to our stove now, just into a pot on a low to medium heat. We're going to add about 3 tablespoons of oil, and we'll add our onion and chili straight in. So guys, we just want to very lightly saute our onions and chilies, and just give them a bit of a brown colour. Once your onions have started to brown, we're going to add about 3 crushed garlic cloves, along with about 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger. At this point guys, turn your heat to low. We just want to let that slowly start to cook now. So what we're going to do now is add in 2 cups of long grain rice, about 1 tablespoon of dried thyme, about 2 cups of chicken stock. You can use vegetable stock if you prefer. About 2 cups of coconut milk or coconut cream. And finally I'm going to add in 1 cup of black beans. Now generally kidney beans are used. Now although the dish is called rice and peas, some Jamaicans like to think of peas as beans. So don't be fooled by that, that's the reason why. So now we're just going to give this a good stir, get it nice and combined, just like so. Now place the lid on your pot. Now guys, do not remove the lid until the rice is cooked. We're using the absorption technique, so we need that steam inside. So keeping your pot on a low heat, we're looking at around 15 to 20 minutes for this to cook. So we'll come back in about 15 minutes time. In the meantime guys, don't open it, don't stir it, you don't have to do anything, just let it cook. Alright guys, so after about 20 minutes we can have a check. Keep in mind, when you take that lid off, you're just going to be hit in the face with the most amazing smell. Now, as you can see, all the water has been absorbed, and our rice is completely cooked. There we have it guys. So if you're ready to serve, we can serve. If not, put the lid back on. It will stay warm for a while. Alright guys, and there we have it, just look at that. Now this goes perfectly well with Jamaican jerk chicken. I do have a recipe on that if you want to have a look. Even just by itself, it's a really nice meal. I hope you like that guys, please like and subscribe. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom, and I'll see you all next time.